In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to editing, this is one of the most important basic skills to learn because cutting a clip lets you remove unwanted parts, break up a longer video into smaller sections, and make your overall edit much cleaner and easier to manage. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this process is very simple once you know where to look. To begin, go to your video track on the timeline. This is the area where your video clip is placed and where you'll be making the cut. Before doing anything, it helps to make sure you can clearly see the clip you want to edit. If your timeline feels crowded, you can zoom in a little so it's easier to place your cut exactly where you want it. That can give you better control, especially when you're working on a precise moment in the footage. From here, look at the tool row and find the blade icon. This is the tool used for cutting clips in the timeline. Once you see it, click on the blade icon to activate it. When this tool is selected, your cursor changes so you can start making cuts directly on your video clip. Now click anywhere on the video clip where you want to cut. As soon as you click, DaVinci Resolve splits the clip at that exact point. That's it, you've successfully made a cut. This is useful when you want to separate one part of a clip from another. For example, you might want to remove a mistake, trim out a pause, or isolate a section for moving or deleting later. After the cut is made, the single clip becomes separate pieces, which gives you much more flexibility in your edit. One helpful tip is to make sure you place the cut carefully before clicking. If you cut in the wrong place, you may need to undo it and try again. Taking a moment to check the position on the timeline can save you time. So again, the process is simple. Go to your video track, find the blade icon in the tool row, click it, and then click on the clip wherever you want the cut to happen. Once you get comfortable with this, cutting video in DaVinci Resolve becomes quick and natural, and it's something you'll use constantly in almost every editing project.